Hi everybody, back at you with another video, and today I'm going to be sketching in VR. Now I just want to take you through to my new house. So we've got the living area over there, we've got a pool table, and this is where we're sitting, where you like go by the fire. And then when we're outside, we've got this little thing here, and a little bit of a pond. So yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Like this is a nice little house. Nice little house. Well, actually, no, this isn't my house at all. As you can see, oh my god, I am in VR. Oh, my hat is falling off. I'm just gonna take this off. Oh dear me. So yes, today we are going to be sketching a collection in VR using the Oculus Go. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Now I know what you're thinking, what is VR and what does this have to do with millinery? So VR is virtual reality, so it's virtual, but it looks kind of like it's supposed to be interactive visually. So yes, I found a little program which runs on this, because this is the Go. Now there are better ones than this, and we were gifted this. Not sponsored or anything like that, but my other half was gifted this at a conference that I went to, so a very nice gift at a conference. And it's kind of not really had much use, because we're not necessarily, I mean, we are gamers, we do love a good, well, I like a good shoot 'em up, but it's not really had much use. And then I was like, there's a painting app, there's a drawing app, I wonder if I could sketch a collection in VR. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna boot this up, and I mean, I've played with it a little, but nothing too crazy. And then we'll start sketching and see if we can put a collection together, at least a sketch of a collection together in VR. So let's crack on. Right, so this is our space, and you can actually, so I'm gonna put me in the corner of this video so you can actually see what I'm doing. And you can actually move without moving, so like, and obviously you can turn around so you're gonna see the back of my head. I need a haircut, I know. So this is the brush, and there we go, so that's the movement. Okay, and then so paint, there we go. Ooh, so it's quite smooth. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna see what it looks like from the other side. So if I just come to here, okay. So we'll just draw something like that. Something just to see what. Oh dear. Oh, right, okay. So, oh, this is weird. That was weird. So we're just going to turn around. Oh, and this is what it looks like from this side. Okay. So, let's see. Let's practice over here a bit more. Navigation isn't necessary. So let's bring this up. So we've got Paint mode, we've got line. Let's change the colour. We'll give it a nice blue. Something like that. We can change the brush. Let's see what that does. Oh, that's clever. Okay. Oh, we can draw in 3D space. Oh, wow. That's something else. Okay, let's look at all the different brushes. So, a round brush. What does a round brush do? Oh, okay. So if you look, the difference between the brushes here. So I don't want to go in line mode anymore. I want to go to that one. Okay. Right. That's that brush. Let's move to here. Oh, okay. Oh, it just makes the brush smaller. Look. Okay. Right. Okay, yeah. Right. I'm running out of space. That's amazing. But it's curved as well. So if you notice, everything's on a curve. So that's something to bear in mind. Let's, what does this do? Watercolor. Right, let's see what that does. Oh. If you look, it's got some sort of like, maybe it's because of the colour we picked. Oh no, it's definitely got a grey tinge because you can see there. Right. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that was just weird. That was weird. What does polka dot brush? Ooh. What polka dot colour are we going to give it? We'll give it a yellow. Oh, wow. Oh, that's amazing. Okay. And the star brush. Oh, wow. Oh my god. It's like being in. So yeah, it's like, I'm just trying to move my arms back and forward, see if it makes any difference. How do we get the brush to come backwards and forwards? I wonder if you can. Let's have a look. Right. So sand, ink. Oh, actually, I want to see what this does. Give it purple. And that one. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, yeah, I'm here for this. Oh, look, if you look, right, so and it fades out. So it's like real ink, it's like a real brush. Wow. That's clever. That's clever. Oh, apologies. What does that do? Move mode. Right, okay, so you can actually bring your brush. There we go. To give it some dimension. Okay. Wow. Now if we, no, we can't go down. So we'll draw in front of us. And look how, that's so cool. Wow. Right, okay. Now I've kind of got an idea of what's going on, and this is all my work over here. I am going to play with this a little bit more and sketch. So, let's save. Oh, canvas color. What's a canvas? Oh, we need to give it a bit more. Right, let's see what. We'll give it a. Oh, that's too bright. I'll give it. Ooh. Okay, so I am going to play around with this, and I just want to see if I can get like a point. How do I get? Oh no, don't want my brush there. Hold on. Right, how do I move the brush like I said I wanted to? Right, there. Okay, yeah. Okay, I've got it now. So what we're gonna do is, oh, if I daren't move because I know I've got a table. Oh no, it doesn't. It just kind of moves you in the local vicinity. Okay. What was I trying to do? That one. Right. Okay. Yeah. Right. We've moved ourselves now. And then, so we want like a nice big sweep. And then want a dome, and then okay, I can kind of see this working. And then a feather of some description and a band. Okay. Right, well, I am going to play around with this and let's see if I can sketch anything worthwhile showing you guys. Okay, so are you ready to see my little mini sketches of hats? So I'm just going to turn around now. Hopefully I don't bash into anything. Ta-da! So I'm going to go into the middle so we can actually maybe see it a little bit better. So you can actually see all of the hats. Oh, you know, these are just like sketches, and I used lots of different brushes to give different effects. I mean, if you look here, it's not perfect. You know, but it's fun. It's something different. So yeah, I'm just making sure my microphone doesn't, I think. Which one of out of all of them, I like this one here. If I could actually try and, it's not letting me go near it for some strange reason. This one here. This one. So this one's a weird one, because what I tried to make advantage of the 3D-ness, and if I can try and go behind it, I don't think I can. You can see, I actually drew the bow at the back, so then you would see it at the front, like that. And then this one, I was like, I enjoyed drawing this one. This is kind of like a little bit more like avant-garde bridal-y type thing, lots of pastels and everything. So yeah, it was a different challenge. It was a different technique. It was fun to do. Would I do this permanently? Probably not. I don't even know which way I'm facing, so so yes, this is my VR sketch collection, so to speak. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun doing that. Would I do this again? Probably not. It's not ideal for anything really, just for fun, I suppose. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe down below, and while you're there, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in the future. All my social media is listed in the description box below. I've got a few things planned which I'll be launching next week, so keep your eyes out ready for that one. So yeah, I'm now going to edit this video, try and get my live stream done for tonight, and then yeah, work on next week's videos. So thank you very much for watching. My name's been John, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all the above, share this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.